Hey folks, welcome back to part 2 of the pedalboard build here on WoodTech Logics. Once again, I'm Eric, and this is the channel. If you didn't see it already, part 1 is already up, and I went through all the building of the walnut frame and the custom cut top. Part 2 here is going to be for installation of the pedals and wiring and clean up of the bottom side, power, all that stuff. So let's get right to it. First thing we're going to do is solder some custom cables. To do that, we're going to need a soldering iron, some solder, some strippers, and some wire, and these right angle connectors. Then we're going to take all the pedals and 3M dual lock them into place. Using the 3M dual lock is better than Velcro, trust me. It's a little more expensive, not as easy to get, but it holds a lot better and it's way stickier. Pro tip, heat it up with a heat gun and it will never come off. Like honestly, you have to get pliers and rip it off. So use that, it holds good, but if you were to need one of these to pop off, the 3M dual lock will break apart and it won't actually be ripping the sticky part off of your pedal board. Look at that lock, dual lock, way to go. So let's do it. To finish it off, I added large rubber feet to keep the board stable during gigs. The frame needed some additional support, so I added some 3/4 inch blocks to help secure the feet. Then pre-drilled a hole, added some Starabond adhesive, and mounted the large rubber feet. For convenience and quick and easy setup on stage, I installed panel mount jacks for the bass input, high-low outputs, and a power connection. No need to mess with cables during setup. Using a 15-foot extension cord, I removed the female end and attached a Neutrix power con for quick and easy connections. This is a fairly simple process. The power con has screw-down terminals, so just remember black is hot, white is not. And you're all set. Make sure you check for any shorts before plugging it in. And remember, this is electric. Be safe. Finally, I added a custom leather handle with T-nuts for secure, stylish touch. I thought the blue leather accented the walnut perfectly.
Installing this with T-nuts will assure it's strong and lasts a long time. Time to test this baby out. Everything works perfectly. Clean wiring, easy access, and a sleek design. Mission accomplished. And there you have it. A custom walnut pedalboard built from scratch. From the black stained top to the rich walnut frame. This project was a blend of craftsmanship and functionality. If you enjoyed this build, hit that like button and subscribe for more woodworking and tech projects. Drop a comment with what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the shop.